When I first came here, I knew straight away that I wanted to come here.
I've already had friends that have studied here and they spoke really highly of both the town and the university, so I already had a little bit of a heads up.
It's a fantastic town, really friendly. I mean, it's some stunning sort of landscapes as well.
It's just such a lovely university next to the sea. You've got so much here around you to inspire you.
Aberystwyth University needs to be seen to be believed. That's why we hold regular open days, giving you the chance to tour our campuses, meet our renowned lecturers and find out just how much we have to offer.
When I came on open days, they're really useful, kind of like one-to-one for the whole day looking around.
All the staff are ready to help. Everyone is friendly.
They're really approachable, and if you've got any problems, academic or non-academic, you can always go to them for help.
We're all like our own little community, all willing to try and help and teach each other.
It's not like a concrete jungle, it's not a city, and it feels like home.